Now solve these two examples, addition and subtraction. Okay, let's see the answer. These are the mixed number. First convert into the improper fraction. Multiplication of these two numbers. 3 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. 3 5 are 15 plus 1. 16 upon 5. And 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. See here, these denominators are not same. So multiply to this denominator to the first fraction and the denominator of first fraction multiply to the second fraction. Sixteen 3s are 48 upon 15 plus 35 upon 15. So here these denominators are same, so write denominator only one time and add the numerator, that is 48 plus 35. Here 48 plus 35 is 83 upon 15 is the answer. Now convert this improper fraction into the mixed number. 83 upon 15. 15 5 is 75. Remainder is 8. So answer is 5 complete 8 upon 15. This is the answer. Now let's see the next question of subtraction. This is also same question. First convert these into the improper fraction and after that solve. This multiplication of these two numbers, 7 into 2 plus numerator upon 2 plus minus 3 into 5 plus 1 upon 5. 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15 upon 2 minus 3 5 the 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. See here, these two denominators are not same. So first make it same. Multiply by 5 and here multiply by 2. 15 5 is 75 upon 5 to the 10 minus 16 to the 32 upon 10. Write this denominator only one time. Here 75 minus 32. The answer is 43 upon 10. 10 for the 43. Remainder is 3 upon 10. This is the answer. Check your answers. Is it correct? Let's see the word problem. Let's see the word problem. Sandeep filled water in 4/7 of empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled 1/4 part more of the same tank. Then Umesh used 3 upon 14 part of the tank to the water the garden. If the tank has maximum capacity is 560 liter, how many liter of water will be left in the tank? First, Sandeep filled the water in 4 upon 7 in empty tank. Then Ramakant add 1/4 part more to the same tank. So there is an addition. And after that, Umesh used the 3/14 part of tank of water to the garden. It means first addition this, then after that minus 3 upon 14. So first solve this bracket, then subtract the 3 upon 14 from the answers. Here the denominators are not same of this fraction, so first make it same. 4 upon 7 plus 1 upon 4, multiply by 4 to the first fraction and multiply by 7 to the second fraction, minus 3 upon 4. 4 for the 16 upon 28 plus 7 upon 28. Now here denominators are same, so write denominator only one time. Add the numerators. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 is 23 upon 28 minus 3 upon 14. Let's see here. In this fraction, here denominator is 28 and this denominator is 14. So again make it same. For making the same denominators, only multiply by 2 to the second fraction, then it will be the same. So the next step is 23 upon 28 minus 3 to the 6 upon 28. See, these both denominators are same, so write only one time and subtract the numerators. 23 minus 6 upon 28. Answer is 17 upon 28. So now in the water tank, there is 17 upon 28 part water is there. But here capacity of tank is 560 liter. So 17 upon 28 part of 560, it means remaining water. So here water left in tank is equal to 17 upon 28 multiplied by 560. Twenty-eight one the 28, 22, 28 to the 56. Here is 20. So 17 multiplied by 20. The answer is 340 liter water left in the tank. Now here our addition and subtraction of mixed number part over. So your homework is solve practice set 10. This is your today's homework. Solve practice set 10. Let's revise. Today we saw the addition of mixed number, subtraction of mixed numbers. There are two methods which you know the easy. You can use that method. Then one word problem. In the practice set 10 there are 3 words problem. One question is over here only. Then solve practice set 10 for the homework. Bye and have a nice day.